Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about solo ads, and I'm going to do a live solo ad like campaign right in front of you to explain how I earn commissions from solo ads. So this is going to be like a two-part video. Now I'm recording it right now, and then I'm going to show you the results of the campaign that I'm going to create at the end, because I gotta obviously order and do everything I'm supposed to and then wait for it. So yeah, at the end part of the video is gonna be recorded in 2 days. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to do a solo ad right in front of you to explain how do I actually do solo ads, what goes through my mind, how do I set up the funnel, how do I set up the text, the content, the emails and everything, and I'm gonna do just order one right in front of you. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, one thing, something you want to understand is that with solo ads there are a couple of objectives. All right, so the first one is that you want to make a list. Okay, so you want to build a list. That's one of the biggest objectives when it comes to ordering solo ads. It doesn't always have to be like that, but 99% of times your goal is to send that traffic to a page to collect emails, right? Collect leads. So in my case, I have a landing page already, and we're gonna make changes to this page. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of explain more about this campaign that I'm going to run. All right. So that's one thing. The second thing I want to talk about is your backend offer. So best case scenario on this campaign that I'm promoting right now, I'm going to get a front sell of $23. Now it's a $44 total sell, but obviously my commission is going to be $23. And then something interesting, this is something that I've mentioned before that you gotta have in your business, is a really is an expensive high ticket backend offer. So so this way you end up making more sales. So if you're a university member, you're gonna have these stuff done for you by default. But if you're not a university member, it's important to promote products, promote expensive high ticket products to make bigger commissions. That's just one of the things that you gotta have in your business. All right, so in my case, this is going to end up in a, again, $23 sell, and then it's going to be a $700 commission after that. Obviously not everyone's going to buy that, but even just one $700 sell is going to be just good enough, right? So yeah, so let's get started. Let's talk about this. So the first thing is, actually this is my landing page. This is something I just put together a couple of minutes ago, and so this is basically a landing page where they confirm their email, and then they're gonna go to my affiliate link. Now my affiliate link is this one. Let me show you. So another thing I want to talk about, which there you go. So this is the link. Just bring it up real quick. There you go. So this is the sales page, right? So again, this is the university affiliate program. In case if you don't know, just a disclosure, this is my company, and we got thousands of members, learning about these things, building their own businesses, promoting affiliate products, or they can promote our products and use our funnels to make big commissions. Just want to put this disclosure up here, okay? So so that is a 4-step training that I'm putting up there, and what's going to happen is that after they sign up to my list, they're going to see that 4-step training. So another thing I want to talk about here is the pre-sale page, okay? So obviously after you get people to sign up to your list, you gotta give them a reward or an incentive, basically. And some people use ebooks, some people use videos. Now in my case, I'm using something really cool, and it's, as I said, it's that 4-step training funnel. Okay, take a look. Let me show you real quick. So yeah, it's like a 4-step training funnel, and they don't even they just go through it, and it ends up in a cell, which is really cool. It's extremely really powerful, and I just love this thing. All right, so yeah, so that's how it works, guys. I'm just collecting leads and sending them to the pre-sale page. That's all I'm doing. All right, so now let's talk about the first thing when it comes to solo ad, you gotta get right, and that is your ad copy. Okay, so this is something I've mentioned before. Let's put this up here. There you go. Alright, yeah, that's fine. So this is something I've mentioned before, but I want to There you go. Okay. So something I mentioned before, I want to kind of emphasize on it here. So something you gotta understand is that the transition from your email to your page should be really, really smooth. So what does it mean? So that means that you have to have an email that matches the content on your landing page. For example, if I'm saying a 4-step free training workshop, I gotta mention that in my email. Okay, so if I'm saying how gurus are using this done for you system to earn 6-figure online, I gotta mention that in my email, in my solo ad email. That's really, really, really important, and something you should definitely have. You gotta follow that theme in all of your advertising campaigns. Okay, this way, when they click the link in your email and land on this page, they're not going to be confused or surprised by new content or new headline that you're using. All right, so it's really, really powerful. It affects your conversion rates. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some ideas. I have a bunch of ad text here. Let's just grab this real quick. Just going to kind of. And by the way, the ad platform, the solo ad platform we're going to be using is called Udimi. Okay, this is the platform where you buy solo ads. I mean, this is the best place to get it started, especially if you're new to solo ads. And there are other platforms. I talked about solo ads before. There's a website called soloadsx.com. That's where you find individual solo ad sellers, and that's something I recommend you to do when you're really 100% good to go with solo ads. You know what you're doing, because it can be really tricky. Sometimes you order a lot of solo ads from these individual sellers and you don't really get that much out of it, because there's no way for you to see how other people have gotten results with their solo ads. Okay, so with the Udemy, you can read reviews, you can see what other people are saying about it, so much easier. Okay, so yeah, so let's go back here. So I'm gonna edit this edit this headline based on the content that we have on the page. Okay, so the headline is gonna be, all right, there you go. So now I'm just gonna put this back in. So now guys, now we have the copy here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Udemy and just put this text in there so we can use it in our ads. Okay, so in case if you don't know what's Udimi, Udimi is a free website that you can join. This is where you buy solo ads, you can communicate with sellers, you can see what other people are doing, like you can see how you can learn about their experience with these specific sellers, so you know exactly who's selling good solo ads and who's selling bad solo ads. It's a really great website. So I'm gonna go back here to add text and add new swipe here, and just gonna add my stuff. There you go, that's my headline, and this is my ad copy, and I'm gonna put my link. Okay, there you go, click here to learn more. There you go, perfect. Now I'm just gonna save this thing, and all right, just double check. There you go, that's it. Now next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Udemy again and just order the solo ad. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna do $100, and that should be good enough to just get it started. But if you can't, if that's too much, you could just start with smaller budgets. Okay, it's totally fine. It's all about testing. Okay, it's all about testing and building the list. So I'm gonna find someone here. Let's go here. I know exactly who to buy from, but again, you want to look at the reviews and everything. I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, let's just buy something. All right, so yeah, this is where you can see reviews, how other people are doing with it. Let's see, there you go, just scroll down, you can see it all. And yeah, that's new, I haven't seen this. Okay, that's sales. Okay, so now this shows the country, like where these clicks are coming from. Okay, so I'm gonna There you go. I'm just gonna choose the right text, okay, and I'm gonna buy $100 worth of solo ads. That's gonna be 129 visitors. Let's see the rest. All right, so yeah, that's it. I mean, they have a bunch of filters like prime filter. You don't need to worry about that. Only top tier. You need to use this filter if you see that, you know, 100% top tier, like the seller that you're selecting has less than like 90%. Okay, so less than 90% top tier countries. So in this case, this guy is doing 100% top tier countries already, so I didn't even have to really select the top tier, only top tier filter. Okay, and only mobile or no mobile in case if you wanna go after that kind of audience. So yeah, let's click add to cart and let's just buy it. All right, so let's see. All right. Alright, so now the solo ad is done, and all I gotta do is just wait and see, and just wait for it until this thing goes out. Alright, so it's gonna start on June 27th, so tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna come back when the solo ad is delivered. Alright guys, so in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to share the results of this campaign and what to do with it if it turns out bad, or you know, how much money I made from it. By the title, you know, by the time I'm uploading this, yeah, if you actually pay attention to the title, you're gonna see it, but you're gonna be able to guess how much money I made. But again, at the time I'm recording this video, I still don't have the final answer, final results, so I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, to close this video, I want to talk about something really important. So while you wait for the second video to come out, where I share the results and, you know, aftermath of this whole thing, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And one thing I want to talk about is Diversity Gold Masterclass. So the thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, let me actually make this a little bit bigger, is that there isn't just one way to make money online. This is something that a lot of people, you know, this is the biggest mistake people make. They think that there's just one way to make money online, but in reality there are multiple ways to make money, earn commissions online as an affiliate. And you know, you gotta choose the right strategy based on the product you're promoting, based on what you're promoting and all that stuff. So it's really important to understand these strategies and know where to use them. So in Diversity Gold Masterclass, I'm going to share all of these things in detail. Now what you saw was a really small part of it, you know, because if you are in adversity, you know that I love to teach everything in detail, click by click, because that's the best way to just teach everything. So that's what you get inside Gold Masterclass, Adversity's Gold Masterclass. You're gonna get all these things in detail. You're gonna get everything click by click. You're gonna see how I make money. You're gonna see everything live in action happening right in front of you. So it's absolutely powerful if you want to start your online business the right way. If you want to learn all of these right and great strategies to start your online business, to get it started, you should definitely check out Adversity Gold Masterclass. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Just one thing to show you, one thing about this is that in Diversity Gold Masterclass, we have a course specifically for solo ads. So just think about this. We have a entire course for solo ad, because what you just learned here was just a small part of solo ads. There's a lot when it comes to solo ads, you know, writing your copies, how to actually structure your copies correctly and all that stuff, how to what's the best time to set up your emails to go out and all that stuff. So there's a lot to learn when it comes to getting the most out of solo ads, and there's an entire course in Gold Masterclass about solo ads. So take a look at this. This is the course. So again guys, this is just one of the things that you get inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to this page where you can learn more about Diversity Gold Masterclass and how it's going to help you to start your online business. And you know, the cool thing about Diversity Gold Masterclass is that it's not just the education, it also gives you the system. Okay, it gives you the system done for your funnels and everything. So it's one of the few things out there, few companies out there that is going to help you to really start your online business and take everything to the next level, and really puts you light years ahead of anyone else out there. So you should definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber for the next part, and like this video. Let me know what you think about it. by leaving a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.